right here is the result of what we've done so far. Like we said, we found Sokoto in 2 places. And if you check how the graph goes, under Enugu we have Lagos and we have Niger. Now after checking Lagos and Niger, it doesn't find it. And I checked the states connected to Lagos. We have Ogun, we have Enugu. These are still not the states. Now it goes back to Niger and checks the states connected to Niger. Here you have Enugu, Sokoto, and Anambra. And of course, after checking Enugu, which has been checked before, it skips and moves over to the next one. At this point, we have found Sokoto. So it's a case of moving from Enugu to Niger and to Sokoto. And it continues like that until it gets to the end of the program. And before then, we have two places where we were able to find Sokoto. Beautiful. Now we are done with the breadth first search. We'll now move over